Hi, let's talk about while loop. We already did do while, so it should be pretty straightforward to understand. So while loop evaluates the condition first, not like do while. Do while first runs the code and then it evaluates the condition. But while loop is like if else. Okay, it first evaluates the condition, only then the code inside the loop executes, and it will execute again and again and again as long as the condition is true. So let's do it in action. Let's create a variable num equals to 0, okay, and then while num is smaller than 5, you want to run this code, right? You want to run this. What you want to do is you want to increment. First time it runs, increments, and then again it evaluates condition. Is it true or false? Is it, oh, it's still true? Then it runs again, and that time incremented number becomes 2. Then while loop comes and check the statements. Oh, again still it is true. Run again, and then it becomes increment 3. Same goes until it reaches 5, and then again it comes and check if the condition is true. If it is true, it will run again, right? And then it realizes no, the variable num has reached 5, it's no longer true. Yeah, so it stops there. Okay, so this is the same thing as we did before. Console log, let's console log num, and then num. Okay. That's it. So let's see this in action. Run 1 2 3 5, done. So that's while loop. It is smaller than 2, it runs twice. Yeah. If it is greater than true, which is not true because it starts with begin, it starts with 0, it never increments, it always stays 0. I'm saying if it is greater than 2, do something, but it is never greater than 2, so loop will never run, we see nothing. Okay, so that's while loop. Pretty easy, right? So the next loop we will do is for loop, and it's very famous for loop. Okay, get excited for the for loop that is coming in the next video. Thank you.